Friends, as you know, the D will be transferred to Q whenever there is a positive edge or negative edge on the clock signal. Depending on the type of flip-flop we are using, if we are using positive edge trigger flip-flop, then on the positive edge of the clock, this D will be transferred to Q. If we are using negative edge trigger flip-flop, then on the negative edge of the clock, this D will be transferred to Q. We have taken positive edge trigger flip-flop in this example for illustration. But this is very crude level of definition. In actual practice, this D should be stable before some minimum time before the positive edge of the clock, so that this D can be transferred to Q reliably. And this minimum time is called the setup time. If in case we apply D input somewhere here in the time domain, it will cause our flip-flop to go into metastable state. And we won't be sure what will be our output. It can be logic 0 or logic 1. Friends, I have created a separate video wherein I have discussed in detail why a flip-flop requires a setup time and a hold time. And I will give its link in the description section.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your support means a lot to us.